What is the proper way to format a multi-line dict in Python? In Python, I want to write a multi-line dict in my code. There are a couple of ways one could format it. Here are a few that I could think of. I know that any of the above is syntactically correct, but I assume that there is one preferred indentation and line break style for Python dicts. What is it? Note, this is not an issue of syntax. All of the above are, as far as I know, valid Python statements and are equivalent to each other.
I use number 3. Same for long lists, tuples, etc. It doesn't require adding any extra spaces beyond the indentations. As always, be consistent. Similarly, here's my preferred way of including large strings without introducing any whitespace, like you'd get if you used triple-quoted multiline strings.
First of all, like Stephen Rumblesky said, Pip 8 doesn't address this question, so it is a matter of personal preference. I would use a similar but not identical format as your format 3. Here is mine, and why.
Since your keys are strings and since we are talking about readability, I prefer
Flake 8, a utility for enforcing style consistency in Python code, which checks your code syntax and provide instructions to improve it, recommends this format. See this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.